Hello friends, my name is Wad Bhatti. Now in this video I can show you the best 4 hosting companies. First of all, you can subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon. Now we start off our video. First I can show you the HostGator company. HostGator. It is open. I can click on the first one option. HostGator company is opened. HostGator company offers 3 plans. The first one is hatchling plan, and the second one is business plan, baby plan, and the third one is business plan. In all these plans, company offers 60% off. The first one plan, in this plans, company offers single domain, one-click WordPress install, free WordPress cPanel website transfer, unlimited bandwidth, free SSL certificate, free domain included, and its starting price is 2.75 per month. And the second one plan is baby plan. In this plan, company offer unlimited domain, one-click WordPress install, free WordPress cPanel website transfer, unlimited bandwidth, free SSL certificate, free domain included, and its starting price is 3.95 per month. And the third one plan is business plan. In this plan, company offer unlimited domain, one-click WordPress install, free WordPress cPanel website transfer, unlimited bandwidth, free SSL certificate, free upgrade to positive SSL, free dedicated IP, free SEO tools, free domain included, and its starting price is 5.95 per month. Friends, if you agree any one plan, then you can click on the buy now button and buy the plan. Now I can show you the second best host company. It is SiteGround. Now I click on the first one option. SiteGround company is opened. You can see these plans. You can click on the view more button. In this view more buttons, company show you the all packages. The first one is hot.com, and the second is top, and the third is .xyz, and the OnScale is .cnu, .net, .online. OnScale is also .site, OnScale also .win, .store, .asia, .wing, .cc, .paid, 50% off on .shop, .pro, free trial, .tech, .buy, .company, .fund, .tv. And its packages you can see on the my desktop. First year package 3 years, 5 year, 10 years. Registration price and the renewals price is this: 1 year, 3 years, 5 years, and 10 years. You can see the all packages on my desktop. If you agree any one package and any one product names, then you can click on the buy now buttons. Now I can show you the third one, best hosting company. Its name is A2 Hosting. Now I can click on the first one option. Sorry, it is wrong side. I can search again. Yes, now it is open. I can click on the first one option. Yes, it is opened. Friends, you can see these 4 plans company offers. The first one is startup, and its starting price is $2.99. In this, company offers 66% off. And the second plan is Drive, and its starting price is 4.99. In this company offers 58% off, and its actual price is 11.99. And the third plan is Turbo Boost, and its starting price is 9.99. In this plan, company offer 50% off. Its actual price is 19.99. And the fourth one plan is Turbo Max, and its starting price is 14.99. In this plan, company offer 40% off, and its actual price is 24.99. You can see these all packages below. Company offer all these things. In the first one plans, company offers one website, 100 GB SSD storage, free and easy site migration, money back guarantee. And in second plan, company offers unlimited website, unlimited SSD storage, free and easy site migration, free automatic backups, money back guarantee. And in third plan, company offer unlimited website, unlimited NVMe storage, free and easy site migration, free automatic backups, turbo up to 20x faster, money back guarantee. And in fourth one plan, company offers unlimited website, unlimited NVMe storage, free and easy site migration, free automatic backups, turbo up to 20x faster, 5 max more resource, money back guarantee. Friends, if you agree any one plan, then you can buy any one plan. Now I can show you the fourth best hosting company. Its name is Bluehost. Now I can click on the first one option. It is open. Friends, you can click on the get started button. The company show you the all packages. It is open. The company show you the four best packages. The first one is basic. Its starting price is 2.95 per month. In this plan, company offer one website, 50 GB SSD storage, unlimited bandwidth, free SSL certificate, standard performance, one included domain, 5 park domains, 25 subdomains. And the second plan is plus, and its starting price is 5.45 per month. And in this plan, company offer unlimited website, unlimited SSD storage, unlimited bandwidth, free SSL certificate, standard performance, unlimited domain, unlimited park domains, unlimited subdomains, spam expect. And the third one plan is choose plus, and its starting price is 5.95 per month. And in this plan, company also provided unlimited website, unlimited SSD storage, unlimited bandwidth, free SSL certificate, standard performance, unlimited domains, unlimited park domains, unlimited subdomains, spam experts, and the domain privacy plus protection, site backup, code guard basic, one microscope, 365 mailbox, free 30 days. And in the fourth plan is pro. Its starting price is 13.95 per month. In this plan, company also offers unlimited website, SSD storage, unlimited bandwidth, free SSL certificate, high performance, unlimited domains, unlimited park domains, unlimited subdomains, 2 spam experts, domain privacy plus protection, and site backup, code guard basic, dedicated IP, one microscope, 365 mailbox, free 30 days. If you are agree any one plan, then you can click on the select option and buy it. Thank you for my watching videos. Please subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon.